How to view replies on Trade app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to view the replies on Trade's app. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch the Threads app and make sure it is up to date and you are logged into your account. In order to view your replies on Threads app, you have to simply locate the post you want to check your replies. However, this method may not be always be reliable. Instead, you need to go ahead and tap the person icon at the bottom of the screen and then you need to select the replies tab. And now here you will see all the posts with replies listed at bottom. You can also delete or edit your reply if you have got any. So if you encounter any bugs or glitches, simply you need to head towards your Play Store or App Store depending upon your device and search for threads. And if there is any updates available, then you need to update it to the latest version. Next, you need to make sure that your system is up to date. For that, launch Settings app on your device. Head towards search bar and type in update and wait for a while. Then you will see the option of software update. Select that. Open it. After that, if there is any updates available, you need to download and install it. And then you'll be able to view replies on Threads app. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.